Akiaria ari ofici-inĩ yake kaunti-inĩ ya Meru, Commissioner wa kaunti ya Jacob Auma ni arutite riboti ya aria mahutitio ni mũiyoro kaunti-inĩ iyo. Ria andũ ana nĩo makuĩte kumana na mũiyoro ũcio. Makiria ma family 67 icũngĩrĩirio gũthama kuona mĩciĩ yao nĩ yarahĩte.
As I speak to you today, our county has had 4 fatalities. We lost 3 people in Igembe South and 1 in Tigania Central as a consequence of drowning.
Auma augite ati icigo iria cihutitio ni mbura na mũiyoro ũcio ni Igembe ya mũhuro, Imenti na Tigania ya gatagati, na akũria aikari othe a Meru memenyerere.
We already have a total of 255 people affected by the rains in terms of flooding. We have a total of 67 households which have been displaced. The local committee, disaster committee, in liaison with the Kenya Red Cross, which is a part of this particular committee, has been able to analyze these effects and has been able to tabulate these things. And the affected persons have already received non-food items and some food supplies.
Oho nĩorĩtie aria maikaraga hakuhĩ na rũĩ mathame kuona rũhonge rwa ũrathi wa rĩera nĩ rũrutĩte riboti rũkiuga atĩ mbura nĩ ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na kuura. Nĩorĩtie matereba a ngari cia cukuru magĩe na ũigĩrĩrĩki rĩu ciana ciracoka cukuru.
We also want to caution people living along the low-lying ends of the rivers that the meteorological department is very clear that we should expect more rains. That means where there's flooding, we should expect more flooding. So people should move to higher areas. We also want to caution people against drivers and people against crossing swollen rivers or even roads. The bridges may have overflows at given times. Let people be patient.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV njĩtagwo Muthoni wa Gacathi.